Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Zuru, and today's video we are going to be comparing the new Rare Beauty lip oil to the Dior lip oil. So this video is going to be an all-in-one. It's going to be a review, first impression, comparison, the whole nine, because I have never tried either of these products before and I'm really excited. These are my two packages without showing you my address and doxing myself. These are them here. This one's the Rare Beauty one and this one's the... Why am I telling you this? I'm just gonna get the product out of the box, okay? Oh no, do I need a pair of scissors? I just need sharp nails. All this because I'm too lazy to stand up and go get scissors. They're literally right there. I can just... I'm not standing up, Jerry. Oh. Yay, success. So that's them too. Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil 004 Coral. More beautiful lips, even bare after 5 days of application. Oh, is this like a treatment type thing? Oh my god. Okay, this is what the oil looks like. It feels like a good amount of product. On the Sephora website, it says this comes with 3.5 grams of product and it is described as a glossy lip oil that deeply protects and enhances the lips, lasting, bringing out their natural color. The description is pretty long, so I'm going to leave the rest of it on the screen as bullet points. On the Sephora UK website, 820 people have reviewed it and it has a 4.5 stars, so it seems people love it. I'm just gonna take off what I've got going on right now on my lips. This probably needs to go. The only other lip oil product that I've tried is the Fenty lip oil, and that one got cherry in it in some capacity. So it's got the same chunky doe foot applicator that the Fenty lip oil has. It's really fluffy, really fuzzy. It holds on to a lot of product. Only one dip is going to cover your entire lips, top and bottom. It doesn't look very coral in here. It looks more pink, but let's see. I like the way it smells. Just to emphasize just how much product is on this thing. It's very comfortable feeling on the lips, very gel-like. It doesn't feel like an oil. It feels very velvety, very suede-like. It doesn't particularly smell like cherries, but I'm not quite sure how to describe the smell. Before I put this on, my lips were not particularly moisturized, but after having this on my lips, I can tell that it's like actually nourishing the lips. I can do this and I don't feel tension in my lips. That's a good sign. It doesn't seem like it's going to be going anywhere soon. It feels like one of those products that gives you a little bit of a hard time to just get off. It gives me the same vibe as a sleeping lip mask, because you know them lip masks, when you put them on your lips when you go to sleep, you wake up and it's still there. That's the vibe this is giving. You go through your day, you rub your lip, do whatever, it's still gonna be there at least a little bit, which I like in a lip product, because I'm not one to like lick my lips up and down. So it just means that if I put this on in the morning and I don't touch up, it's gonna be there at the very least by lunchtime when I can reapply. I don't know, am I bougie enough to use this every day? I'm not sure. This might be a little controversial. I don't understand why they have multiple colors. Maybe on white people you can see the color difference. But on me, this might as well be clear. Do you understand what I'm saying? It says coral. I don't see a coral. I don't see a peach. I don't see a pink. I don't see an orange. I just see straight up sheer gloss, which is fine, but then why is it called coral? Regardless, I really like it. I like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. Oh, so there is some color to this on the wipe. I want to say that color is from the lip oil. Okay, so this just proves my point. I've wiped my hand where I swatched the product and it's still very shiny. I've wiped my lips thoroughly. The oil is still there. There is still some residue of the oil. So I see why they would make a claim saying that it improves your lips after 5 days of using it. Within 5, that statement there, that I can see why they said that. That makes sense, because this thing lingers. It doesn't go anywhere. I'm guessing only like an oil-based cleanser is gonna completely get rid of this product, but I'm not about to put an oil-based cleanser on my lips just yet, okay? Tank. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Delight. That's so cute. It just says you are rare and inside. I'm in the UK, and the only two places that I am aware of that they sell Rare Beauty is Sephora, which recently came to the United Kingdom, thankfully, and Space NK. When I tell you this product is sold out on Sephora, it's completely sold out in every single shade on Sephora. Space NK, when I went on yesterday, it was only available in 2 shades, Joy and Delight, and I wanted to buy Joy. Between the time it took me to put Joy in my basket and get to the checkout page, somebody had bought it and it was sold out. So I bought the only shade that was left. I'm just gonna quickly check if it is even around again, whether they have buy all the Delight finished. Okay, so Delight is still in stock today that I'm filming this, which is the 6th of May. Delight is still in stock. As at the time that I upload this, I don't know if it will still be in stock, but it seems like many people love this product, so I'm very excited to try it. 6 mil?
Wait a minute.
It is double. So the Dior one works out to be cheaper. I'm not here to judge their prices because at the end of the day, prices are worked out specifically for each product. So things that go into prices are like the ingredients, the cost of labor, time it takes to manufacture the product. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into it. So it's fine. I'm just shook. It doesn't have that oily look to it, kind of like the other one. The other one just like glooped everywhere. This doesn't do that. So I tasted a little bit of it and I don't know if it tastes bad, but you know where it says that it plumps the lips? I think it's plumping my tongue. So my SD card got full. It took me about 10 minutes to get myself sorted again, and this thing is still tingling. Thankfully my tongue doesn't tingle anymore, but I don't know if it's the meat, but like I feel like my lips look fuller.
It's all in your head, Mr. Tweedy. Say it.
It's all in my head. It's all in my head.
Like I feel like they look slightly bigger. Not big enough for like a stranger to notice and be like, yo, did you kiss a bee? But like she looks kind of full to me. It's probably in my head. It's probably in my head, but I like it. Also, I really like the color. If you've got duo-toned lips like I do, you know that not everything shows up on you, like the Dior oil. But this one has got like a light little subtle berry type color. I just really like it. I look very kissable. It feels like a lighter oil, so it's not as thick as the Fenty one or the Dior one. The Dior one is very thick. I think that might be due to the jojoba oil. So I can see this being like a really moisturizing product, but it's not gonna like deeply nourish your lips the way the Dior one will. When you kind of put your lips together, you don't get that string. That being said though, do I think this is worth it? Absolutely, because it's plumping your lips, it's giving you color. It's very easy to reapply. So the Dior one, you have to be a little more careful, because if you open it too quickly or you're not being careful, you can get product spillage around the threading where it screws back on. Yeah, I don't like the fact that I might potentially have some of my £30 stuck on the packaging. No thank you. It needs to be either inside or my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this one on my other hand just to see what it looks like. So that's one swipe. I feel like there might be something in this product that adapts it to your lips, because it definitely does not look this dusty. Wait, hold on. Let me find the product description. This looks like a dusty rose. That's what I mean by dusty, okay? Not a bad thing, like. And also, I don't know if you guys can see that, but in the short time that it's been on the back of my hand, it's changed colors. Over time, the color does change slightly and warms up to your skin. I like that. I'm not sure what kind of technology that is. I'll layer the second one just so we can see what it looks like with 2 coats. I'm gonna wipe it off. Left a stain. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a very light stain. I'm sure if I scrub I can get it off. So if you're a person who doesn't like the stickiness that comes with gloss or oil, this is going to be an amazing product for you. This is also the first plumping product that I've ever used, so this is a very new sensation for me. It looks amazing. It looks nice. I do prefer the 1 coat, but 2 is fine. 2 is great. 2 is wonderful. Their doe foot applicator is a lot skinnier than the Dior one. So this is a lip gloss from Colourpop, and in terms of like skinniness, it's kind of similar. I feel like if they had used the doe foot that Dior used, I don't think it would have worked very well for this formula. The Rare Beauty one definitely sits on your lips and leaves like a protective film over the top even when you take it off. That actually goes into your lips. It like penetrates and deeply moisturizes and nourishes your actual lips, and even when you wipe it off, a little still is left over to like protect your lips. I think they are both amazing products. It depends on what you want to use them for. Final thing, I'm gonna take it off and see if it leaves a tint on my lips. It did leave a tint on my lips. Now I'm not sure if this tint is from the tingling and my lips are like whoa, but I like it. It's not bad. Okay, so I put some brown lip liner on and I put the Rare Beauty one back on my face because I need to film some more videos and I would like a little bit of color on my lips. But there we go, there we have it. I really love both of them. The Rare Beauty one definitely surprised me more. I wasn't sure what to expect from both of them, but I really like both of them for different reasons. The Rare Beauty one feels more like makeup to me and the Dior one feels more like skincare. So yeah, I love them both. They serve different purposes. But with all of the information that I've given you today, let me know in the comments which one you prefer, which you would purchase. If there's any other product that you would like me to review, let me know. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.